Just another day at Sunbelt Roofs here in southeast Louisiana. Just wanted to show you this little project. The man wondered why there was a lot of waves in his roof, and that's because they had this very thin 3/8 plywood. While it was okay for plywood, it settled, and so we ripped it all off the house, and we're about to put 1/2 inch back on. This is what it looks like without the decking on your house. We're going to reflash that chimney there and get this guy all fixed up for the next 20 years or so. Until next time, check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, sunbeltroof.com.